striped breast.
Yeah,
like
white
Asian
breast.
emerald cuckoo female.
With the white breast?
Asian?
It's cleaning itself right now?
Oh,
Look like Asian emerald cuckoo female.
Okay, Asian emerald cuckoo female.
Stripe. You see stripe? Black.
Right here? Yeah.
Right in the V.
Yeah.
Okay.
Blue-winged leaf bird. Be nice if it was in the sun, though.
Yeah. Here's the sun.
I got a really good picture of a black bird, you know. On a bigger screen, it might look okay. Gray-eyed Bulbul. It's eating in the flowers, right?
Right there. Yeah. You see him now? Oh, there's another yellow one.
He's got a... Oh, yeah, I can see his eye. Really beautiful. Oh, it just flew up. Slow. Come on, slow. Just stop right there. Yes. Yeah, here comes the sun now. Good. Got it. Green-tailed sunbird, folks.
Make more costume.
Get it, Ricky.
Just wait to see.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, that's good. That's a nice picture too. Wow.
Scarlet minivet.
Cool.
Sẽ là nhiều phim rất là nhiều.
Got an Ashy Drongo and a black crested Bobo. The Bobo's gone. So there's your Ashy Drongo. Oh, he's gone. Bye.
Yeah, I got the yellow guy.
Yeah.
Black crested Bobo.
That's another good one.
Yeah, I think I just took that one. I think I got enough black crested.
Ah, I seen it. That's nice.
What is that?
What is that? It's the blue. Oh,
Ah, he just flew away. There it is. Blue-throated barbet. From the back. Turn around. There you go. Oh, that's pretty. He moved around. Now he's facing us. Oh, you can see his blue head. Oh, it's beautiful. Same spot, he just moved over about a foot. When he turns his head and gets it right in the sun, right there. Beautiful.
There's one up there. Look, in this thing here. Yeah, it might be blue. I think it might be blue. Okay. And the second one. Now very clear under wing.
It's gone. There it is. I can't see it from here, man. I'm telling you.
Clear
I got it now.
under wing, you see? Black and white line. Serpent. Same one, but
Where? Dang it, it's so close. There it is. Crested Serpent Eagle. I can keep it in the frame. Gone. Out of my picture anyway. You can hear it calling now too.
something.
Yeah, it went diving, didn't it?
Oh,
Oh yeah, you can see the red in its throat really good. Barn swallow, really pretty.
makeup. Clean up.
Well, thank you for staying there with me, for me.